Hi, today I'm going to explain about AEPS service in Agastya Pay Android app. So first you have to get login by using your user ID and password to Agastya Pay Android app. So click on services. So it will go to services dashboard. In services dashboard, here it will list AEPS and all other services that Agastya Pay app is providing for the users. So you need to click on AEPS service. For the first time, it will ask for the payment that you need to pay 199 for the activation of AEPS. Once after paying, you need to fill a KYC document, that is AEPS onboarding. So for the onboarding, it will ask for your name, user ID and email ID, phone number and the address details of yours. After filling all the details, the OTP will come to your entered mobile number. So you need to enter the OTP. Once after validating the OTP, it will go to this AEPS dashboard screen. So once after the successful onboarding only, then only it will go to the AEPS dashboard. Or else if you are facing any issues while doing onboarding, you can directly contact to our Agastya Pay team. So they will help you out how to do the onboarding, and you can raise a ticket in help desk also. So for this is a AEPS dashboard screen. So here you need to select the device that you are having with you by the MAR4 mantra. So select MAR4. I'm selecting MAR4 now. So select the type of transaction that you are doing. Here the type of transaction is 3 types: balance inquiry, to enquire the balance that you are having in your bank account, and cash withdrawal, to withdraw the cash, and mini statement, to view the mini statements of your account. So select the bank that you are having. So I will select some bank for demo purpose. So here I will enter the Aadhaar number. So enter the Aadhaar number. After that, you need to enter a mobile number also. Enter mobile number. So once after entering all the details, you need to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it will ask for install Mantra ADI service first. First you need to install Mantra ADI service in your mobile phone. Then here in Play Store it will be available. So go for the Play Store and install Mantra ADI service. So here you go, install this one. So the Mantra ADI service got installed. So once after the installation, successful installation, so it's scanning for. So once after the successful installation, then you can use this. Okay, click on confirm now. So it will ask for allow Mantra ADI service to access photo, media and files on your device. So click on allow. Once after you click on allow, it will access your device. So then you need to enter a thumb, that you need to give a thumb impression. So it is checking for handset root status. So once after installing Mantra ADI service, you need to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will ask for fingerprint data. So you have to give a fingerprint or thumb impression in the Mantra device. After giving a thumb impression, it will go for the balance inquiry dashboard, and it will display the balance that you are having in your account. So then next is cash withdrawal. For example, if you want to withdraw cash from your bank, you need to select the amount, how much amount that you are withdrawing, and you need to click on enter the amount and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you need to give the thumb impression. After that, the amount will be withdrawn from your linked bank to AEPS wallet. Then you can settle it to your bank by selecting the option settle to bank. So once you click on select settle to bank, it will be settled to your bank within 1 working day. After that, if you want to view a mini statement of your account, you can select a mini statement and you need to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you need to enter a fingerprint data. Once by taking a fingerprint, then it will go for the mini statement. It will show the mini statement of your account. That to 8 to 9 transaction it will show in a day that you have transacted in your account, the last transaction that has been done in your account. This is the APS service in Agastya Pay, and I think that you have understand all the how to use the APS service in Agastya Pay. If you are facing any issue in using any of the services, please watch our video or please contact to our help desk or support number. Our team will help you out to use the services in Agastya Pay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.